In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu in Wix Studio. Let's dive right in and make your website both stylish and user-friendly with this modern menu style. First things first, open up your Wix website editor. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply log into your Wix account's dashboard, and under My Sites, click on the one you want to edit. This will take you to the website editor screen where all the magic happens. Once your site editor is open, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Give it a click. This section is essentially the control center for the pages on your website, and from here, we're going to select the specific page where we want to implement our hamburger menu. Now, after you've selected Pages and Menu, a list of all the pages on your site will appear. Decide which page you want your hamburger menu to be associated with. Consider the user experience here. Usually, it's best placed on the home page or any page that serves as a jumping off point for navigation. With that page selected, let's move on to the actual implementation. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen again. This time, you're looking for Add Element, a staple of Wix's drag and drop simplicity that allows you to customize your site to your exact specifications. Once you've found Add Element, click on it. A whole menu of different elements you can add to your page will expand, showing options from text, images, buttons, and more. Scroll down until you find Menu and Anchor. This is where we'll find our hamburger menu settings. Clicking on Menu and Anchor further expands your options, and what you need now is the Hamburger Menus section. This menu style has become increasingly popular, especially for mobile device navigation, due to its clean and space-saving design. Once you click on Hamburger Menus, you'll be greeted with a selection of different hamburger menu designs crafted to perfectly blend with various website styles. Choose the one that complements your site's aesthetic and personality, and voila! Just like that, you've successfully added a hamburger menu to your page. Feel free to drag it and position it exactly where you think it'll best serve your visitors. Don't forget to preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions just as you envisioned. This little addition could make a significant improvement in your site's navigation and overall user experience. If you have any questions or run into hurdles along the way, leave them down below. I'm here to help. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time for more helpful website tips and tricks.